This may look like I just ended my last video, but I can assure you I didn't. What's up? How's it going? I definitely lied. I felt like the other video was way too long, and I was gonna record going home anyways, because I record for stuff just in case something like that happened, and I ended up crashing. Oh my god, that's so cute! Wow. I just lost my train of thought. I record all the time just in case something happens, and I don't know, dash cam essentially. I should probably get one of the like Insta 360s or the GoPro Maxes and mount it somewhere. I just don't really want to mount something else. I like, not mount something else, but like, I don't want to put something up here, and that's when people normally do it, or I've seen the Insta 360s go on here. I mean, that would be fine, but I definitely don't want it up here, because I like the look of my bike. I feel like it would be kind of ugly if I just, you know, there's a freaking GoPro mount on the front fender, front fairing, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, maybe one day when I'm not broken, I don't need to do a oil change or oil change and tires and get a new front rotor because some mean person tried to steal my motorcycle and bent my front rotor and all that stuff before a track day at the end of the month. One day. I don't know where I'm going. Well, I know where I'm going. Never mind. That was a lie. There's been a like vibrating in my bike, and I don't know what it is. I know Yamahas are loud, but this is a new vibrating that I'm hearing, and it's not necessarily concerning me, but concerning me. I feel like it's just like a piece of plastic rumbling around down in there, but I don't know. I'll have to look at it when I get a second. 6:30. I got like 30 minutes till my girlfriend gets home. Most of you wouldn't have even realized unless I told you that this was a continuation from the other video. Maybe I'll just label this one part 2. Oh my god. Should I cut in front of this guy? Probably not. Do I want to? Very much. It'd be sick to live in... This is Ocean Beach. But it'd be sick to live in Ocean Beach if, you know, places down here actually had space and like a garage and AC and a washer and dryer and unit. I know like most places you're like, what? This doesn't have all that. Or maybe you think I'm crazy for wanting all that. But it is so hard to find a place in San Diego that has all of those things and doesn't cost a freaking arm and a leg. It's actually kind of ridiculous. Places here are so very expensive. It hurts. Beach Kite Festival. That sounds kind of cool. Squeaky, squeaky. Yeah, it'd be cool to live down here. I know I wouldn't use it as much as most people because I'm not the biggest fan of the ocean. I don't like surf or anything, so it'd more just be for like oh, I thought I was gonna cough. It'd mostly be for like the off day, or not off day, but actually no, if I lived down here I'd probably go to the beach most days. At least oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm probably gonna be beach most days. Probably for like sunset. Maybe cook some food and bring it down. I mean, I don't live too far away from the beach, but it's still like 15 minutes and gotta pack up the car and do all this stuff. If I live, you know, this close, then I would just, you know, get a skateboard or scooter or something, or I don't know, maybe even get some little like mini bikes and use them to adventure around and, you know, have little picnics on the beach. Or, oh, I keep on seeing these little like scooters. They're like fat tire scooters, but they're for golfing. Like a bunch of them just have like, it's a little sit down, almost like moped looking thing, and it just has like a area for your golf bag. I golf, not too often, but I like golfing, and I was like, that would be sick to have to, you know, go to the golf course with. But that'd actually be kind of perfect for beach. So really just a moped. Get some mopeds that me and my girlfriend can ride to the beach and not have to worry about parking or anything like that. But I don't know, maybe one day, if I stay here, if I stay in San Diego. It's a beautiful place, but it is so very expensive. Like one bedroom upwards of 22 to 25 for, you know, anything decent. And if you want to live anywhere close to the ocean, you can live like way out in Santee and pay, you know, $1,700, but that is not a life I would like to live. Too far away from everything. But yeah. Oh, I knew that light turned first. I don't know why I thought I could, or I was just gonna be able to go. This road also sucks. You know what I need to do? I'm sure you guys have seen it, if you're paying attention at all. But I have my little ducky friend right here, and I need to name him. He watches over me, and he needs a name. I don't know what I'm gonna name him. I just got lost in trying to think of a name for him. I really want to name him Stanley, but I already have a duck name. I already have a duck named Stanley. And I feel like Stanley is just like the go-to duck name, but it's just such a good name. So his name, what's his name gonna be? Maybe Franklin? I don't know about Franklin. Ha ha ha. We're gonna think of a name for you. Oh, I gave him the sauce! Bow, 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 bow! You're done! Alright, guys. Oh, that was fun. Until the next one, like, comment, subscribe, let me know how I did. See you later.